Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing good. January 2nd, 2026. Let's crush it, guys. Let's get all our goals for the next year. And yeah, anyways, today I wanted to talk about a tool I've been building in secret. And this tool has helped me so much. And I'd like to share it with everybody. I'm going to try to keep the cost as low as possible so everybody could benefit from the tool. And I might give a few people lifetime deals on the tool, but just make sure you comment down below because I've posted this on X and it's gotten quite a bit of traction. So I already have to give a couple people access to the tool for free. Now, as you can see on my screen, find your next business idea hiding in Reddit. I just positioned it because I like to build little micro SaaS tools for businesses, and I realized that one of the things that I could do is use this to get those ideas, right? So scan Reddits for pain points and problems, and then build tools around them. So, anyways, without wasting your time, let's get into it. You put the subdomain that you're looking for. So, for example, I put our startups. It's not going to work right now because it's not connected to the back end. But our startups, you hit analyze. Once you analyze, it'll do its thing, and then you'll get to see something like this. All right. And it gives you pain points and opportunities. Like I said, I built it for me, but you could use this for email marketing. You could use this for running ads. You could use this for just about anything. You could take a problem from here and put it into a ad creative and test it. You could take a problem from here and pitch it into a email marketing campaign and test it out. Or you could do what I'm doing, take a problem from here and see if people would pay for a tool that fixes it, right? But anyhow, look at this. Some right here. I've burned out to talk to customer first advice. I know it's gospel, but the execution is a nightmare. The problem is that you need to be able to explain it to them. A platform that connects startups with potential customers for feedback, offering tools for outreach, feedback collection, and analysis. This is something you can make right now. High setup costs in Dubai. One thing that surprised me wasn't the headline setup cost, but all the ongoing small fees that add up so fast. Look here, an online tool that helps entrepreneurs estimate the cost of setting up a business in Dubai, including all hidden fees. You could build this, you could build these, and you could, again, this is lingo, right? If you're doing email marketing, this is really good. So, like I said, that's what the tool does. I'm going to add more stuff to it. So it's no longer going to be just purely Reddit. It'll be, for example, pain points across X, pain points, problems across Facebook groups. So I'm going to condense it down. Now, if you're interested in purchasing the tool, I will have it available at a very discounted price. I'll set it up on your machine. Let me know. I'm glad to share it, and it should pay itself off if you use it correctly. If you think it's just some fancy thing that's going to make you rich without action, it won't. Because if you don't act on this, then you don't get anything. And if you use it poorly, then you don't get anything. Analyze more posts, it'll cost you a little bit more. But it's a good tool, guys.